Hi guys, welcome to my channel Review Route 27. Today's video is about the Philips sound system. I had this for almost 3 to 4 years, almost 4 years now. And the model number is CSS2123/F7. And yeah, this pretty much a very compact size, and it connects to pretty much all devices like the phone, TV, sound player, MP3, laptop, tablet, and such. And if you have a TV, you know for sure that nowadays even the most advanced TVs, they don't come with a very strong sound system, which are on the rear of the TVs mostly. And this is a perfect solution. And I would not say this is a replacement for a home theater, but definitely it enhances the listening experience. And because of the compact size, the size is so compact, so sleek and thin, even if you place it in front of the TV, well, in my case, I have this in front of my TV, and it does not obstruct the visibility. Absolutely no issues on that. And the subwoofer is really fantastic. The sound output is amazing. The only downside that I found is the remote is a bit small. For some reason, I find this very comforting actually, because it is so small, easy to operate. And it has the bass, volume, treble, surround sound system, coaxial, auxiliary, and it's really a fantastic one for the low price. And as I was saying, it's very compact. The bass and treble are very decent, and it's a very inexpensive sound solution. So in case you in case you're looking for a sound system, and you would like to give this a try, I have a link in the description where you can click and find more information about this product. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.